everyone. Today I am going to start a new topic that is formatting a document. So let us learn how can we format text in MS Word. The word formatting stands for making changes in the appearance of the document. Formatting in text is required to make the text look attractive and correct. So we can create and design presentable documents by doing the following. So we can change the font style and size, we can adjust line spacing, we can set the bars and the tabs, and we can create bulleted or number list. We can also do highlighting keywords, setting the margins, aligning text to make it look good, changing text style and color. So we are going to learn these many things today, and we will start right from the formatting the text. So formatting is done to make certain changes to make the text presentable. Various options can be used by us from the font group. You can see here my arrow. This is the font group, and this is the paragraph group. This is in the home tab. You can see home tab is there. In home tab, font group and paragraph group is there. So let us now learn how to format our document. You can see here, this is the alignment. This is left alignment. This is margin, means this is a center alignment, and this is your right alignment. And this is, you can say, this is the justify align text. Okay. Next is bullets. You can see here bullets are there. You can see here numbering is there, and you can see here some numbers in the list form are there. So these two are there in the paragraph. Now in the font group, there are so many things like font face are there. So many font faces are there, means font names are there. You can change according to you. And font size also you can increase and decrease. Then you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underline, and you can highlight the text. This is text highlighting color. You can choose the color according to you. And this is font color. And these all things we can apply in our text so that our text can look good and beautiful. Now changing font. Changing font means font stand for the for the style and types of letters of your text matter. MS Word offers many font styles. You can see many font styles are given in the drop down list. It is there. You can see many font styles are given. To change the font style, follow the steps given here. So we will just write something in the MS Word document first of all. Okay, I'm going to write here, health is wealth. Clear? So click on the home tab. Already we are here. Next step, click on the drop down list arrow present next to the font style box. A list of various font styles will be displayed. First of all, we need to select the text, and then we have to go to the font face. Different types of fonts are there. This drop down box is there. You can choose according to your choice the font style. You can see, you can make it as beautiful as you want. You can see many font styles are given. So Times New Roman, it is selected in almost the time, but I am choosing here comic style for my text. So this is how you can change the font face. Okay. Next is changing font size. So already we have chosen the text. What do you do? What you need to do? There are two options to change the font size. First of all, there is a drop down arrow just beside of the font face. Font size is given. Click on the arrow and you will find more sizes are there, so you can choose according to you. I have taken 20, not 20, 36 is fine. And you can do, this is the first method. And second option is to increase and decrease the size. Is the this a is written there. Okay, this is the shortcut option, decrease font size for this, and this is for the increase font size. If you will click on a, then you will find your text will be increased in the size, and this is for the decrease of the size. So this is how you can change the font size. Next is changing the font color. So before applying the any kind of formatting, you need to select the text. If you will not select any text and you will just do some changes, so nothing will be effective on the text. First of all, you need to select the text and then go to the font color and change the color of the text. Okay, you can see I have make it blue. It was earlier green, now I have make it blue. You can make it according to your choice. You can make it red also. So this is how you can change the color of the text. Next is highlighting the text. MS Word provide us an option to highlight the text. Means if you have written a number of text, number of paragraphs are there, and you want to highlight some part of the paragraph, then what you will do? You will highlight the text which you want to display, which you want to highlight in the meeting or highlight in that text. Select the text, then go to the highlight, text highlight color, and whatever you choose. The background color means highlighting the text, as your marker is there in the for the highlighting the text. In the same way, I have taken green color, so that this text is highlighted by the green color. So this is how you can highlight the text. Suppose I have written something which I don't want to be highlight, so you can write. So I don't want to highlight computer, I want to highlight health as well. I have highlighted this one. Now applying bold. Suppose you want to make it more emphasize the word health. So what I will do, I will select the health, then I will click on bold. It was already bold, so I will take some different first of all text style. Okay, so first of all I will show you the simple one. And I want to make it health bold. What I will do, I will select the health and make it go to the bold and click on B. Your text will be highlighted with the bold letters. You can see health is now is being highlighted more in the color. Okay, more darken in the color. Next is applying italics. Suppose you have written something which you want to get more attractive. So I'm writing some more things for you. Like I've written MS Word 2010. Clear? So what I will do, I will select it and I will go to in the home tab, in the font group, and italic I have created. Clicked on the italic. So this is how you can make the text italic also. Next is applying underline. Now if you want to make the word as a like underline as you do in your copy or in the book, it's some text are underline also. So select the text. I have taken this text and I have uh, I have gone to the home tab, then I have clicked on U. You can see in the font group U is there, that is underline, used for underline. So your text will be underlined. Okay, so this is how you can make the text underline. I suppose you all are getting my points. Next thing, changing text alignment. By default, the text is left aligned, and if you want to change the text alignment, means you are setting the text either on the left side or the right side or on the middle. So what you need to do, suppose a computer I have written here, and this computer I can make it on different position on the page. So I will go to home tab, I will go to the paragraph group, and here alignment is there. This is left alignment, you can see. So I will make it left alignment, and I can make it right also, I can make it in the middle also, and this is for justify. Suppose you have written any group, and this is not means some margin are left at the right and left side. So by clicking on this right justification, justify alignment, all the text, all the matter, whatever it is written in the paragraph will be same aligned from the both side, from the left and the right. Okay, next thing, we are coming to the bullets and numbers. Bullets and numbers are being used. Arranging information in the list can make it much easier to understand. That is why we use the list option in MS Word. Suppose I have written something. Suppose I have written here some items. So these things are there, but if I will write numbering or some bullets, that my text will be more attractive. So what I will do, I will select my text, I will go to home tab, then I will go into the paragraph group. Here first is bullets to make the list in different forms. You can see any of the thing, any of the option, you can choose it. I have chosen this one. So my list is looking like this. If I will choose the numbers here, so my list will be appearing like this. If I will be choosing here, so my list, this is the list under another list. Okay, so when you have multiple options, then you can create such kind of list. Here you can change from ABCD also. So this is the work of the list which I am creating right now. Next thing, what you have to do, we are just doing that, changing line spacing. Changing line spacing is the space given between two lines. Suppose these two lines these two lines are having this much of space, and I want to make it some little bit more space between two lines. So what I will be doing, I will be selecting my text, then I will be going to home tab in the paragraph group. I can choose the different line spacing are given. Okay, so as per your choice, you can choose any of the line spacing option, and you can make it your text according to your need. By default this is 1.0. You can make it, you can give more spacing like 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0. Okay, If you want to remove the space, click on the remove space, then remove which is there between two lines, that will be removed from the between two lines. Next is applying border and shading. So this uh, always enhance the appearance of the text. We can add borders and shading effects. Follow the steps given here. So what we have to do, first of all, select the text, click on the home tab. Okay, whatever page you want to get border. So I have taken the whole text. I have gone to the home. Now click on the drop down arrow present next to the border. Okay, you can see here in the paragraph group only border is there. So here some borders are given, like border and shading. You need to click here. So if you want to give box style, shadow and 3D and custom, there are these many options are given. Suppose I have chosen box here. So here so many styles are given. Color you can choose from here, and from here you can change the width of the border as well. Okay, if you will increase, so it will be thicker. If you will decrease a point, then it will be thinner. So this is how you can make the border of the page or the text. You can see. Okay, so this is how you can make the border of your text. Now we can apply drop cap effects to the first letter of the paragraph. Now follow the steps how we can apply a drop cap effect to the first letter of the paragraph. So select the letter which you want to make a drop cap. I have taken H here. Then click on the insert tab and select drop cap. You can see here drop cap is there. So I have clicked on the arrow button in the text group. Select drop cap style from the list of drop down menu. So you can choose here and click on OK. So this word, especially H, will be highlighted in whole paragraph. Okay, so this is the drop cap applying in the paragraph. So I hope you will understood. If you have any problem, you can ask from me. And now just quickly recap what we have learned. We have learned MS Word 2000 from this topic with many options for formatting the text matter. Formatting the text stands for changing the appearance of text matter to make it attractive. Various font style and sizes can be used for typing the text. Alignment means the positioning of text on left, right or center in the page. Line spacing is the space given between lines of the text. Font style, size and color can be changed as per the user's requirement. Borders and shading effect enhance the appearance of the text.